Hey guys, Steve Good here with the Scroll Saw Workshop. I want to show you a problem I've been having with one of my scroll saws and the solution that I finally came up with. This is the upper clamp assembly of one of my machines, and obviously this is the thumb screw that you tighten the blade into the clamp with, and of course the blade goes right here. Now this particular machine, over the last probably 2 to 3 months, started breaking scroll saw blades. And it was breaking them at an increasing rate as time went on. And I had tried putting a new set screw and a new thumb screw. Basically, I tried everything I could think of, and it was still breaking blades at a rate that just I never have. It's rare that I break a blade to begin with, and some of these blades were lasting 10 or 15 minutes before they would break, which was not good at all. I'd even almost decided that I had received a bad batch of blades. But tonight I solved the problem, and I solved it basically because the problem kept getting worse. If you look at this clamp, you see when we got this thumb screw tightened down, everything looks nice and secure. But as you back this thumb screw out a little bit, look at the play we've got. What had happened is the hole that this thumb screw goes in was slowly getting worn out, and it had oblonged a little bit. The threads were still there, so you could screw it in, and when it first started breaking the blades, the problem wasn't so pronounced, and I just couldn't figure it out. But of course, as time went on, it kept getting worse and worse, and it got to the point where it became obvious. I replaced this upper head, and I haven't broken a blade since. It totally solved the problem. So I just wanted to pass this along. There's so many times when things happen that are hard to diagnose when the problem first starts, and breaking blades is one of those problems that can be tough to solve. And a lot of times I had even started it out whether I'd gotten a bad batch of blades. So there's a lot of things that can happen that may not be obvious at first that over time become more obvious. So anyway, I thought some of you might find this useful in a future scenario where you might be breaking blades. Just something to check. I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being here with me at the Scroll Saw Workshop. Catch you next time.